And
Oh, I got scared.
Okay.
I'm gonna press.
Option 1.
Get on. Bro, yesterday. The Halloween sign. No, what the?
Yeah. There's no
I don't even have that many
sign.
cousins. Yeah, because the Halloween sign is higher.
And look, up here.
We can't see anyone through it. And look, there's no flashback cosmetics.